Hello guys, this will be my third video regarding Git, and in today's video I would like to show you how you can add a remote repository to your Git repository on your computer. So let me just pull one window. Okay, so this is basically GitHub and this is my account. I highly recommend you create your account, it's really nice. You can keep your code over here and you probably know that. And why we need this remote repository? Well, when you work on the project, and you develop your project or you fix some issues, you're doing on your local computer, and then the remote repository, it's like a bridge between your computer and your live server, where your project lives. So basically, whatever you do on your computer, you push into this remote repository, and then you go to the live server and you pull your changes from your remote repository. Let's start by creating a repository for our Git practice project. Then if I go, let me just expand this window a bit. Okay, if you press here on the plus, and then press new repository, and let's give a name Git practice, the same name as our project. And you have few options here for your repo to be public, private, or to initialize this repo with a README file. I'm not going to do this for now. I'm just going to press create repository. Okay, there we go. We have our repository created, and we have like few instructions here how to add our repo to our project. Let's see. Okay. So we basically can use this command to add this remote repo to our project. Let me just copy this line over here, guys. And now I left my project on the dev branch, and we have made some changes. Just to confirm, git log one line. There you go, guys. We have like few commits here. The first commit we've done, it was on the master branch. As you can see, added index HTML, and then we have done like 3 more commits. So let's switch back to our master branch. Git check out master, and we are now on our master branch. As you can see, our change that we've done on the index file just disappeared because they're on the dev branch, and we are no more on the dev branch. Okay, now let's add to check if we have any current remote repository attached to our project. We can go git remote -v, and as you can see, nothing appear. So let's add our remote repo to our project. Git remote at origin and the URL to your repository. Press enter. And now if we repeat our command from git remote -v just to check if everything is fine. And as you can see, guys, git confirmed that we have our remote repo added to our project. And you can basically fetch and push to this repo. Okay, now let's push our master branch to our remote repository, which is currently, as you can see, it's empty, doesn't have anything in. Okay. Git push origin master. And there you go, guys. We have just few info lines on what we've done, what Git done, and we basically just pushed our commits that we've made on the master branch to our remote repo. So if I pull this window again and then just refresh this window, So the new change, apply, and there we go, guys. Now we have this index file in our repo, and we have one commit or one branch, which is the master branch at this point. Okay, nice. So I would like to show you guys how you can do a pull request. So basically, pull request, it's let's say you have to do some change, and the first thing you have to do, it's on this project, the first thing you have to do, it's basically, because other developers working on this project as well, and you have to make sure that your master branch, it's up to date with the master branch on your remote repo, because someone may have made some changes and you don't have it on your local. So you can go git pull or origin master, just update your master branch. And as you can see, guys, already up to date, because there is nothing to update basically. But this is, it's a good practice always. It's just okay. Now we created from the previous video our dev branch, and we have made some changes, but we are like an apprentice developer. We have to, someone has to review our work. You cannot just go and merge your branch to the master, and someone usually from the senior developers or just the developers have to change your work. So basically, I'm just gonna switch back to my dev branch, git checkout dev, and now I'm gonna push my branch to the remote repository. Git push origin dev. Okay. And there you go, guys. We have pushed our code on dev branch to the remote repository. Now if we go here, if I put this window and then refresh page again, as you can see, we have two branches now. And if I press over here, just to see, there you go. Default branch master, update 44 minutes by me. And then we have another dev branch. Okay, nice. So now we've done our work. We push our branch with all the changes that we have made, request by our boss, and then we would like to have our code reviewed, by from someone from the senior devs or someone else. Now we can create a pull request. Basically, if you press here, okay, let's see. Open pull request, create new pull request by comparing changes across two branches. If you need, you can also compare across forks. Okay. Okay. So basically, we want dev branch to go to the master, as you can see, able to merge. Then you can leave some comment, to the senior dev, just to explain him what you have done. I have added, let's say, a second line. Okay. And here below, basically, you can see all the commits you have done on your branch as well. Added the first line of text, added second line, revert, and so on and so on. Our message as well. Create pull request. Okay. And basically, after that, the senior dev, it will receive, message, email, and that you're requesting a pull request, and he will come over and just review your change you've done, your work you've done, and he will decide, if this is like good to go or not. And basically, he will probably most of the time just merge. Let's see what options we have. Yeah, we have like 3 options for merging, but we're just gonna use the standard one. So dev senior developer probably will merge by pressing here. Confirm merge workers. Okay, confirm merging. Pull request successfully merged and closed. There you go, guys. Let's see. There you go, guys. We have no pull requests anymore. We still have 2 branches. And we are on branch master right now. And we have all the commits over here. So basically our branch, it's updated. So this is how you basically make a pull request and how you add your remote repository to your Git. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video.